How's it going? And welcome back to Spicy Saturdays. This is episode 3, and today we're going to be doing a really pretty little neo-soul riff. Take a listen, and then we'll jump into the explanation. So in this riff, we're playing in the key of B flat, and we're starting off on chord 4, which is E flat. We're playing an E flat major 7 voicing, and it looks like this: 8, 8, 8, 10 on the top 4 strings, the classic neo-soul chord, hammering on that 10th fret, yeah, and then pulling off again. Then we're going to play the same chord 3 frets higher, so 11, 11, 11, 13. Alright, this is a borrowed chord from the parallel minor key, so from B flat minor. This is an E flat minor 9. Okay? Then we go back to our original chord, our E flat major 7. We're going to do a little run, pull off chromatically 10 on the high E string, 9 on the high E string, 8 on the high E string, and then 11 on the B string. Then we're going to move to a cool diminished 7th chord, so we're playing 7, 8, 7, 8 on the top 4 strings, and a little parting note. Okay, so what you can do with these diminished 7th chords is you put them before a chord that you're going to, a fret below the root note. So if we're playing an A diminished 7th chord, we're going to be playing a B flat chord next, okay? A chord with B flat as the root note, okay? So we're playing this A diminished 7th chord, 7, 8, 7, 8. Fret number 10 is the passing note, and then we're playing this B flat major 9 voicing. And that is 7, 7, 6, 8 on the top 4 strings. But we're hammering on that 8th fret from the 6th fret. Or you can pick both notes if you want to. I think I picked both notes actually. Then we're playing an F sharp diminished 7th chord with a little passing note on the 6th fret here. And now the fact that we're playing an F sharp diminished 7th chord, remember I said we're playing it 1 fret below the root note of the next chord. So the next chord has got to be a G something. And we're playing a G minor 9 voicing here. Okay, so this is 5 on the D string, 3 on the G string, 6 on the B string, and 5 on the high E string. Okay. Then from there we're moving to a C minor 7 chord, and we play it like this. So that's 5, 5, 4, 6. Okay, it's the same shape as that B flat major 9 voicing we played, but we're playing it 2 frets lower, 5, 5, 4, 6, and we get a C minor 7 chord here. Okay, then we're just running up the scale, the B flat scale, with our little finger, 6, 8, 10, 11, okay? Then we go back to our original chord that we used at the start, the E flat major 7. So 8, 8, 8, 10. And then we're going to play this cool little F11 chord. Okay, so that's 13 on the low E, 13 on the D, 12 on the G, and 11 on the B and E. Okay? This is a really nice chord to lead into our B flat. It's our 5 chord, it's our dominant chord, adds a lot of tension. We can add even more tension here by bringing these 2 fingers here down a fret, so the 11th, 10th, and 10th frets on the top 3 strings. Before moving to our B flat major 7, which is what we're finishing on. And I'm hammering on the 12th fret of the D string there. We're playing 13, 12, 10, 10, starting on the A string. But I'm hammering on that 12th fret. So, that is the riff. That's how you play it. I hope that this video was helpful for you. It's given you a new riff to play, and hopefully you've gained some concepts to start putting into your own playing. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Are you enjoying the Spicy Saturday series? Let me know so I can know to keep making more of them. Make sure, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. If you're looking to take your chord progressions to the next level, I've written a book called Chord Charisma, which is designed to do just that. And I'm offering the first 2 chapters for free. And those first 2 chapters are going to show you how to write a basic chord progression using the 7 chords in your key, which order to put them in, how to build tension with them. And then I'm going to show you how to use extensions like 9ths, 11ths and 13ths to spice these chords up and make some more sophisticated and jazzy sounding chord progressions. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, head to the description, completely free, the first 2 chapters of my book, Chord Charisma. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.